Breakfast casserole. Is it the sexiest breakfast fare? Nope. But is it good and more importantly easy? And can you do it ahead of time? Yep. It's like a really attractive sex doll. It's always gonna be there for you. Brunch is for bitches and bitch boy bitches. I dry crouton-sized bread in the oven for about 15 minutes at 200 degrees. It keeps everything from getting overly soggy. You don't want that. Easter brunch can go ahead and suck it. I ain't going to that crap. Who wants a loaded Bloody Mary and a pile of flapjacks? Who wants a flute of champimpi and a nice deviled egg? Who wants a stiff bourbon and Coke and some 10-day-old cod cakes? It always reminds me of Christmas morning. You always eat a big hunk of this after opening up a bunch of disappointing presents. And then you fall asleep. It has to be made ahead of time, much like a strata. A strata is just a fancy, uppity-ass, rich bitch term for a breakfast casserole. This is true mama fare. Don't be afraid to load up with the cheese. Brunch is for bitches and bitch boy bitches. Breakfast casserole. Yahtzee!